Oh my god. All right, let's see what they looking like. All right, so let's see if they worth opening or not. Let's see if they worth opening. Top events. What's the top events? Yeah, team of the seasons, right? Yep. All right, team of the seasons. All right, Chad. W or L packs, y'all. W or L packs. Ooh. No, Chad, these are not bad at all, bro. These are not bad at all. These are not bad at all. These are W packs. Y'all are tripping, bro. No way y'all spamming L pack. These are W packs, bro. No way y'all spamming L packs, bro. These are W packs. What? Try to say the devil. Try to play devil level. It's a website game. These are W packs, bro. Hell no. Wait, these are anything I did. Let's go. Chat, do we go all in or do it one by one? All in or one by one? Chat, what I mean by all in? Do we go all in or one by one? Fuck it, chat. Let's go all in, bro. FIFA Mobile Tot season. Let's see what they got. All in. Oh, yeah. Mexico. Right back. Madrid. Luka Vaquez. Oh, come on, bro. You gotta be shitting me, dog. Give me somebody better, bro. France. Seal. Veer. Veer. Oh! Oh! Pogba grandfather. The best pack. Oh shit. Bonjour. This was bonjour. The best pack. 99. Oh shit! This is literally the best pack you can get! Oh! 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 Oh shit! Oh my god, that's literally the best pack you can get! Literally the best pack you can get, bro! Oh shit, let's keep going, bro. Let's keep going, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's keep going. Let's go. England. Who is this? Foden. Foden. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. Hey, Chet, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Argentina. CF. Who is this? Alvarez. Come on, bro. Come on. I want to get, bro. Give me, bro. Come on. Give me Ricardo, bro. Give me Ricardo or something, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Ecuador. Center back. Hand cap. Why are you giving me hand cap, bro? Oh my. Are you, dude? I literally, you gotta be shitting me, bro. How am I reaching my max already, bro? Like, what? Oh my god, bro. This is so annoying. I literally opened up 4 packs. How is that even possible? You currently have reached your max player limit of 1,200. You may encounter a poor experience with many fans who reach the plan about below. Alright, oh my god, bro. Okay, exchange. Nope, not enough. Let's do that. Come on! Brazil! See you? Neymar? Oh, Neymar Douglas. Come on, come on. Holland! Holland! Say jump, bro. Who the? What? What are these packs, bro? Chat, what are these packs, bro? Mexico. They giving me the same stuff, bro. FIFA Mobile lock in. Give me new packs. Damn. Are you serious right now, bro? Are you serious? Fuck, let's do this. Come on, please. 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 England. Right back. Arsenal. White. I'm black. Like, what the fuck? He's white. No shit. England. Snow. Bro, they give me the same person, bro. Literally the same. No fucking. Oh. Like, what, bro? Brazil. Oh. Look it. Lamine. Are these shit or bad, bro? Yo, chat, are these good packs or ass packs? Argentina. Left wing. Nacho! My boy! My boy! My boy Nacho! Alright, chat. I'm gonna keep going until I run out of packs, bro. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. Mexico. Striker. Oh my fucking. Fuck that shit. I'm going all in. Mexico. CDM. Not bad. Not bad, bro. Okay, I'm out. You know what? I'm out. You know what? Hey, you know what? Hey, I can't never play this game. I'm out, bro. I can't never play this game without getting max inventory every damn time. Damn. France. Strike. Mbappe. Mbappe. Who the fuck is banana, bro? Oh, yeah, of course the black man ain't a banana, bro. A fucking. Germany. Striker. Like, can I get a Holland or Ronaldo or something? England. This game's so bro. No, this game's trash, bro. Like, what happened to all the good packs? Please, bro. Please, please. France. The Saint. They scammed me, bro. They scammed me, chat. They scammed me, chat. Germany. Why do you keep scamming me? same ones! Why are they scamming me? Alright, chat. I can't even play this game no more, bro. Why does this keep happening, though? Like, this is so annoying. No limit. Wait, what if I just keep doing this? No, that's only one player. It'll take forever. Ooh. Alright, fuck it, bro. Alright, bro. Oh my god, that's so annoying, bro.